Right, cooking a turkey on a barbecue, part one. This begins with brining because it always does for me. But I just want to say I'm here to hold your hand on this one. So I want all of your questions in that comment box below. I know when you've spent good money on a turkey, it can be scary to think about cooking it in a slightly different way. Actually, it's super easy to get this right. You need to turn your barbecue into an oven, essentially, and that's going to come in the next video. So questions below. It always begins with dry brining for me, as many of you already know. So sea salt all over the surface, just pat it, rub it in. Rule of thumb, my hands are so cold, is a tablespoon of salt per kilo of meat. This is a 4 kilo bird. It's not the biggest. My family is quite small, and that's just fine. So I'm going to rub it the same all over and inside, because turkeys have got big cavities and you want to get that salt. The salt's going to flavour from really deep within. But it's also going to break those bonds between the protein fibres. So when you cook that turkey, it's not going to squeeze out and contract and get all the moisture out and making it dry. It's going to give you a juicy, sexy bird at the end of it. So questions below and I'll try and answer them all. But yeah, here to hold your hand on this one.